the brain trend indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying the bullish trend points and bearish trend points within the market. The brain trend indicator is a special and practical tool for identifying bullish trends, which are displayed with blue dots, and for identifying bearish trends, where we can spot the start of a downtrend in the market with red dots. Additionally, this indicator allows traders to use these points to identify support and resistance zones, and based on them, enter buy or sell trades in the market. For example, in this section, we can see that the blue dots indicate a price correction upwards, and then the price moves downward again. We can use these points and the candlesticks shown here as support or resistance zones, and as we can see, the price has reacted to this area again and moved upward. Or looking at other points, for example, in this section we see areas displayed for us that serve as signals for the start of a downward trend. However, when the price reaches these zones, it reacts here, and after that the price starts to drop. In the settings section, under the input tab, there are only two options available. In the first option, we can set the number of candlesticks to identify and display upward and downward trends, as well as support and resistance zones, which is set to 500 by default. And in the second input, we can choose to receive alerts when bullish or bearish trend signals are displayed. By default, this option is set to false or disabled, but we can enable it or set it to true. The number of candles displayed for us on the chart is set to 500 by default, but we can increase this number or decrease it as needed. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'll be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.